Obama's attempt to protect some parents from deportation failed today. The Supreme Court upheld a lower ruling which blocked the action. KXAN political reporter Phil Prazan is at the governor's mansion with the latest developments. Phil?
Well, Shannon, a protest is scheduled here in just under an hour in front of the governor's mansion. And why here? Well, in 2014, Governor Greg Abbott was then Attorney General Greg Abbott, and he was the one who filed this lawsuit with 26 other states against the federal government. Now, this protest is another protest after a day of them in major cities in the Southwest. This is video from earlier today in Phoenix, Arizona. The president's executive action shielded parents of children who came here illegally. Because the Supreme Court was deadlocked, the kids can still stay if they came here under the age of 16. But the parents of those kids could face deportation if caught by immigration officials. Now, our current Attorney General, Ken Paxton, today said this case wasn't exactly about immigration, but the Constitution.
Our Constitution divides powers and gives different responsibilities to the President and Congress. And in this case, the President was stepping into the role of Congress, and that was really our argument.
And Texas was one of 26 states suing the federal government, more than half of the country. But Texas did spend a lot of your tax dollars fighting this case. It spent more than $600,000 to pay salaries, $13,000 for experts, and $23,000 for travel, totaling close to $642,000. And those numbers are the latest from the Texas Attorney General's office. And Ken Paxton has told me several times that when it comes to the constitutional issues, he doesn't care how much it costs. But people here in under an hour will care about this ruling. They're upset, they're angry, and we will have more on that at KXAN News at 10. For now, we're live outside of the governor's mansion. Phil Prazan, KXAN News.